This young male tiger seems to be settling into his new home. A single deer will feed him for days, as long as he can keep it to himself. Another tiger encroaching on his space. But this visitor is welcome. A tigress, keen to introduce herself. A good sign that he's now fully established and ruler of this coveted land. The new couple spend several days getting acquainted. The male will enjoy exclusive breeding rights to all the tigresses that share this valley, for as long as he remains in charge. She certainly seems in no rush to leave him. But after 3 days together, hunger takes over. It's time to head off hunting again. With the tigress now carrying his offspring, the young male can relax. His strength and size should be enough to secure several years of success, until an even bigger cat comes along.